Okay. Don't click it anymore.
Press it.
Press it in. Okay.
Okay, we are going to have
Some worms.
barbecue flavoured mealworms. We have them already. So okay. Okay. Bobby.
I'm filming.
Bobby.
Hello, darling. Hi.
You're a camera, Sammy. You get turned on by yourself. Sorry.
Yeah, they look so
I really want to top that.
That's stupid.
Sorry, I just.
You open my world. Sorry. I'm a worm zoom into one. I don't know how you zoom in.
If you just don't zoom in, you can't zoom in. Alright guys, we're having a bit of painting difficulties right now.
See that?
Open it! I got it. Alright guys, they're open.
Oh, okay.
Oh god. Give me one. Wait, okay, here. There? Legs are gone.
Sammy, there's no legs on it.
No, there is a hole because Sammy, a worm doesn't have legs. Your whole
Worms don't have legs. Sammy, they're called.
See, they do have legs, okay?
They do have legs.
Gross.
Alright, ready? Wait, one at a time. One at a time, please.
It's pretty good. No, I know. It's like crackers. We don't want one of those.
I'm pretty sure. They're good. Everyone eat worms. Good for you. Do you want a worm? Do you want a burger? No. I'm going to go up to it. You like to eat a worm?
Yeah. Okay guys, let's go. Oh, look how defined that one place was.
Let's see.
That's a long one. Guys, that's what I really wanted a chocolate ant, but someone couldn't afford it.
I had £2. Hey, can I stop that? Hey, I think that's not it.